Welcome back, World Auto. The 2025 BMW X5 M Competition is a bold testament to how far performance SUVs have come. From a brand that once dominated the sports sedan scene, this muscular, high-riding machine proves that the thrill of driving hasn't been lost, it's just evolved. While replacing a sleek, agile sedan with a tall, heavy SUV may seem counterintuitive, one drive in the X5 M Competition is all it takes to understand the appeal. At its heart is a twin-turbocharged 4-liter V8 engine now paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system. This combination generates a jaw-dropping 617 horsepower and 553 lb-ft of torque delivered to all four wheels via an 8-speed automatic transmission. Launching from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.7 seconds, this family-sized SUV matches the pace of many dedicated sports cars. Top speed is limited to 155 miles per hour or 177 miles per hour with the optional M Drivers package. Performance is further elevated by adaptive dampers, a sport-tuned exhaust, and a rear-biased xDrive all-wheel drive system that includes a track mode for even sharper handling. The X5 M grips corners with authority and delivers a dynamic, confidence-inspiring ride. Step inside and the X5 M Competition doubles down on luxury. The interior is wrapped in premium leather with carbon fiber accents, ambient lighting, and a heated steering wheel as standard. A sweeping curved display dominates the dash, blending the digital gauge cluster and infotainment system into one modern interface. Front seats offer heating, ventilation, and optional massage, while rear seat passengers enjoy heated cushions and upscale materials throughout. For those seeking maximum comfort, the optional executive package adds features like soft closed doors, rear sunshades, and heated/cooled cup holders, luxuries that make the driving experience feel truly first class. Despite its performance focus, the X5M doesn't skimp on practicality. It offers 34 cubic feet of cargo space behind the rear seats, enough room for about 11 carry-on bags, making it just as suited for road trips as it is for canyon carving. That said, efficiency isn't its strong suit. The mild hybrid system helps slightly, but fuel economy remains low at an estimated 13 miles per gallon city, 18 highway, and 15 combined. It's built for power, not savings, and it requires premium fuel. Following a major refresh in 2024, the 2025 X5 M Competition sees no significant changes, but it remains a standout in its class. Starting at $128,375, it offers a rare mix of blistering performance, upscale refinement, and everyday usability. More than just an SUV, the X5 M Competition is proof that driving excitement is alive and well, even in a vehicle that can carry the whole family. Thanks for watching.